Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I want to make my own cushion foundation. I've seen this go viral on TikTok, and you could order a compact on Amazon. I'm sure there's other places you could order an empty compact as well. This wasn't on Prime, so it did take a little bit to get to me, but it wasn't too bad, and I do believe I paid under $10. So it's just an empty cushion compact. You have the little sponge applicator. It does come with a mirror, and you have the sponge, and I will remove the sponge to add the product. But if this sounds fun to you, something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching, and we'll just mix together a bunch of products to come up with my perfect cushion foundation. So I do like to mix my foundations pretty much every day to get the perfect shade, the perfect type of coverage, and I do it on my hand almost every day, so it would be more convenient to already have it mixed up, especially when I'm in a hurry. So first, I am self-tan right now, so I'm going to try to do like a more self-tan shade. Don't mind my hands, they're terrible. So I am going to go into the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade 5 Cool. This is a little deep, but I do like mixing with this because it adds full coverage and more of a matte finish, but I don't love it on its own. So we'll do a few, maybe 2, 3. We'll start with 4 pumps because I have a lot of products. Now I figured I'll add some sunscreen. This is the e.l.f. Sun Touchable Whoa Glow. It does have 30 broad SPF. I do know that this won't give me all the sun protection that I need. I would have to go under my makeup with a decent amount of sunscreen to get the proper protection, but this is also like a glowy highlighter as well, and it'll help thin out that very full coverage foundation. So I just gave it a little squeeze. I do have my Purito BB cream. This is in the shade 27 Sand Beige. I love this. I'm actually almost out of it. This one also has sun protection, and it gives you like a healthy glow. And it is my tan shade. So I'll just give it a good squeeze. So there we go so far. Like, I don't want to put too much product in here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. And everyone I see is putting like some kind of skincare in theirs. I just have this LYS Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum. It has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So maybe we'll just do 1 drop. This will thin it out too. Not sure. I might want to add a little more of the Charlotte Tilbury because I am putting a lot of thin products in here. This is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, SPF 30, and in the shade Wheat 4.5. I love this one as well. It's one of my favorites. So here it is. I do have a blue pigment foundation. This is from LA Girl, and this will make everything more cool tone if you have a cool undertone. And I have tried this and I do really like it. I just thought, why not? Why did I add it? I'll just do like that. So not too much. And then I also have this from Milani. It is the Complexion Enhancer Soft Glow. It's in the bronzer shade, kind of similar to like the Drunk Elephant bronze drops, just to get more little bronze, because I put 1 pump, maybe 2, because I do want a summer shade. I think I'm going to add 1 more of the Charlotte Tilbury just to get the coverage I want. I'm not sure if this is enough product. Let's mix it together. I mean, at least to start off with, because I can reuse this. So here it is. Let me do a shade. Let me test the shade. I think it's okay. once it's all blended out, maybe I'll add a little more of this. It is very satisfying. Nice to do, like to mix up all your foundations for the summertime. Like if you have a tan, instead of buying something, just become your own scientist. Now, I did not look up like if the foundation's water-based or silicone-based. I didn't do all that. This is just, I don't know, just playing around guessing. So I am gonna insert the sponge. I seen that you're supposed to like insert it and then flip it around. Oop. I definitely could probably use more product, but I just wanted to test it. So here it is. And you can, it's a little messy. I have foundation everywhere. You can use the cushion applicator. I've seen a lot of people like, oh, I'm not using that, that's terrible, but it's actually nice for applying cushion foundation. Like if you want that light coverage, really sheer, beautiful. So far, I think it's looking really good. I am going to blend out this side with the sponge. I do feel like that applicator, the cushion one, gives you more light natural. But you guys, so far, it looks really pretty on the skin. It looks like natural, but I have coverage. And it feels hydrated. It smells good. Well, it smells like sunscreen. It's glowy. It's pretty. It's not too full coverage where it looks too cakey, because I kind of did put a lot of product on when I was testing the shade match. So this is the foundation on my face. I think it looks really pretty. Definitely very glowy. So I will for sure need to set this down. I'm going to finish up my makeup and then I will come back to you guys with my final thoughts. Okay, makeup's all done and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. It does feel very heavy on my skin. I'm not sure if I just put too much product on because I was doing the swatch test with the brush. I didn't want to waste it, but I feel like it's the perfect shade. I really enjoy the shade. The only thing, next time, I don't think I need to put like this type of product or even this type of product, because like BB creams already have glow in it. So I just felt it just made it feel heavy on my skin. But I just love the concept of doing this. If you are a mixer, you mix in the back of your hand, you like to use a bunch of different products, this is just so much fun, and it makes you use what you already own instead of buying like the newest foundation. So I just had to take a phone call, but anyways, overall I think this is a great idea. And I mean, so you don't have to buy every new foundation launch because you want it to be this finish or that finish or whatever color. Sorry, my cat is playing with a toy on the floor. But yeah, I think this is so much fun and I can't wait to keep making foundations. But anyways, guys, let me know if you've done anything like this. I know we all mix foundations on our hand or a palette or whatever, and I also hope you guys all have a great day. I know I haven't filmed. I'll give you a little update right now. I even filmed for a while. My daughter graduated high school. And then we have had a family of kittens living in our driveway, like underneath an old car. So over the past few days, this volunteer, this lady has been coming and trapping them, and she's going to get them all fixed and vaccinated and everything. We have to sponsor the cause, so we have to pay for it, but it is discounted because it's like a volunteer service. And if they could get socialized, they could go with families. If not, they re-release them. But they do not put the cats down, which is great. So that's why I haven't filmed for a while. It's been high stress levels here. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get back into filming. I'm gonna film a video tomorrow, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.